So in this video, we shall be talking about calendar spread. So as you can see that I asked you guys to sell 22,500p up this week and to buy 22,500p up next week. So it is buying and selling the same strike price, but in this case, the expiry dates are different. So how does that work? The Arnofist option calculator does not let you choose the strike. Okay, let me just open it once. Option calculator, it will not ask you to choose the strike prices, so you cannot do this here. To understand that, you need to use Opstra. Go to options and go to strategy builder. I can give you a dummy account also because there is no sense to make an account for just this one. And we are not using Sensible because their graph doesn't look very cool when you're doing the calendar spread. Okay, before we go to the discussion of the position, if you do not know about calendar spread, you can click on Google and type Unoffice calendar spread. It will land you to this page. When you go there, you can see the entire details is there, and it will also be showing the impact of different Greeks and every stuff. And if you do not know about Greeks also, you can read there in Unoffice only. Okay, these are all free, and you can just go by clicking here like this one, and it is also elaborated very correctly. So as you can see here, we are selling this week, right? In this week, when you are selling that will be a graph like this, and when you are buying, that will be a graph like this, and when you are combining that, you'll be getting graph like this. So let me show that. Let's choose Bank Nifty here, options, this one, 22500p, and this is sell, and the next one is buy. As simple as that. See, it is coming like that. Let me just delete it. So just selling, it will be creating a graph like that, and the buying will creating a graph like the opposite one. Okay, yeah, let me add it back. So when you are combining both of them, it will be making like this, and it will be RR risk is to divide will be 1 is to 1, 6,000 profit is to 6,000 loss, and the range, if you do not know options or anything, the range will be mostly 1,000 points. If you do the ATM one, see, 22,000 to 22,000, 23,000, right? Now, why I'm choosing this range and what is my view actually? To know that, I shall be talking about two more things. One is the IV. 30th of this month is the expiry day. The Reliance will announce its result. So I think the IV will shoot up from Monday to Tuesday. Okay, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because the results of Reliance impacts every other company. And also I think that Magnitude will be staying in a range bound way. Like, let me show you the W graph. W means weekly time frame. So my bet is that it will be consolidating, but at the same time, I am also betting that it may break out. But it cannot break out and sustain unless until Reliance post its result. And Reliance already went up too much high. Let me show you Reliance chart. People are already expecting a huge, amazing result from Reliance. What if it comes an okay result or some bad result? It will be totally coming down to here only from where it started, right? And we also need to be sure of this downside range. So that's why I have done a neutral strategy. As you can see, this is a very neutral strategy here, right? So IV will increase. So what happens if IV increase? I am expecting IV to increase 10%. The range get increased because the options you are selling here, that will be not impacted by IV that much, but the options which has a far expiry, that will be impacted more, and we have a buy in there. So this is my bet. Okay, so it will be happening in this way. And also I'll be not doing this carrying this position in Wednesday and Thursday. I shall be changing. I may be adding some more put spread or call spread depending on where the market is that time. Okay, so let's say I shall be closing on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Sorry, this is today, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Cool. and this is the Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Oh, Sunday, Saturday is also included. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This one, sorry. Okay. So in this case, this is our actual positions. So we are assuming that we shall be making a 2000 to 1000 profit, somewhere like that, and our range will be 21700 to 23500. And on this day, which is Tuesday, we shall be saying that what to do with these positions. If it is the magnitude is here, that time we can sell a call spread or put spread. We see. Okay, I shall be updating in there. But this is how you can just check the range here. Okay, the margin is showing 16,000, but it will be actually taking 22,000. How? 16,000 plus this maximum loss, because it is a debit spread. When you sell options, you are getting the margin. When you are buying option, you are giving the margin. You are giving the margin here actually, and that is 563 minus 335. This is your maximum loss. You cannot lose more than that. Okay, to that 16,500. So this is the exact margin that will take.